So hi guys, in this video we are going to see conditional operators. So before understanding conditional operators, in the previous video we have left something, that is how to print multiple things in a in a print statement, in a single print statement. So suppose I have an age, so I have my name. So these are the two variables that I have. Now I want to print both of the variables in a single line. So how can I do with a single print statement? So yeah, for that we need to have a out. So in this out we need to first mention the name in a double quote, as this is the so we need to combine both of the variables with the help, means this is the string literal, we need to combine with plus. So if you want to also add the age, so I will write age, so combine with age. So this is the syntax that you are going to follow so that you can print. So name, this is the name that will be going to print in the terminal, and the name variable, and the age this is the age variable. So this is the text that is going to print in the terminal, and this is the actual age, this age that we are going to print in the terminal. So let's run and see what it prints. So yeah, you can see the name is John and the age is 23. It's printing successfully. So now you understood how to print multiple values in a single line. So if you want, you can also use this ln. Okay, like this you need to print something in the terminal. Next we need to see what is if else statement, if statement. So suppose I have an age. So this is the age that I have. Now I want to check if the age is greater than 18 or not. So suppose I will say, inside this we need to pass some condition. If this condition is true, only this inside condition will be executed. So now I will remove this true, and I will check that age. If age is less than 18, then I will be going to say, so as this condition is true, this will be executed, this statement, this not allowed to vote. So if you see, so it is printing not allowed to vote in the terminal. Suppose if I change to 20, what happens? Let's see. Again it is saying not allowed to vote because we have reversed it. Then we need to have greater than equal to. Now let's see. So it's printing nothing because if we just use the if statement. If this if statement is false, then next statement, what is the next statement that we are going to execute? So we just not mentioned that, so it is not executing anything. So what if the next statement is we can mention, simply mention yes out, so you can get the simply the system.out.println. In that I will say allowed to vote. So this thing I said. Now we can run and see in the terminal. See, now it says allowed to vote. Because allowed to vote, why it's saying allowed to vote? Because now age is greater than 20. So as this if statement is condition is false, so this else statement is executed. So what if you want to check whether, suppose your age is 13. So yeah, leave it like that. Then you can mention in between else if. So in between you can mention else if statement. In this else if statement you can pass another condition. So if age is equals to 13, so we can mention another statement inside over here. So the logic can be anything inside the else if statement, but the main motto or the concept is this one only. So in this I will going to print I am 13. So this is a simple statement that I have done, and I have set the age as 13. So this statement will be executed, and this will print I am in 13. So let's see what it prints. So yeah, that it prints I am in 13. So this confirms. So in between how many ever the if else statement that you want, you can simply implement that. So in between if you want another checking, you can do that with the help of else if statement. Likewise, if you want to have, is this whether age is 14, age is 15, or if these and all cases false, then this else statement will be executed. So this is the main use of if else statement, correct or not, like that you can check. Ternary operator. So up to now we have seen if statement, else if else statement, else if statement. Now we are going to observe what is ternary operator, and next. So first of all, if you observe what is the ternary operator. So ternary operator is nothing but a simple statement that we are going to follow. So this is the syntax so I will write in the comment the syntax how it look like is if case. If this case is true, then the first statement will be executed. Like I will take case here, and I will put question mark over here, and I will put semicolon over here. Not semicolon, the colon over here. Statement 1. This is statement 2. So if this case is true, then statement 1 will be taken as correct. If this case is false, then this statement will be assigned to the result, means the output as will be statement 2. So I will repeat again. If this case is false, then this will be taken. If this case is true, then this will statement 1 will be executed. I took the string result as age greater than 18. So this is the age. See, this is the condition. I put the condition that whether age is greater than 18 or not. So if age is greater than 18, then that will be adult. If age is less than, if this condition is false, then that will be minor. So just I will assign these values to the result, then I will check whether the result is true or false. So I will just print that. So you can see that it is printing the adult. Suppose I change the age here to like 17, then I will run and see. See, it is showing minor. So the basic syntax is, this is the case. Once again I am saying this is the case. After that you will going to place the question mark. So the first statement 1, this is if true, then colon you need to place, then statement 2, when that is false, this case is false, then this will be executed. I hope you understood how the ternary operator works. So the next thing we are going to see is the switch case statement. Is also a very simple concept. So I declared an int day, that is 3. Basically day is an integer. Now switch case, like you can declare as switch. Inside that it will take a condition. Here is the day, is the number. So you are going to open these curly braces, and inside that you are going to declare one by one case. So in the case 1 this is 1, this number is the day. If this case 1 is true, then this first statement will be executed, that is Monday will be printed. If this case 2, it will be going to execute Tuesday. Case 3, Wednesday. Case, if there is no case, this number, no, we are not passing any number, then default will be executed invalid day. For example, if I run that, see the default day that I have given is 3, then this third statement will be executed, that Wednesday will be printed. So if you see that, so you see Wednesday is our output. So if I change this to 1, then Monday should be printed because the case 1 is Monday. So let's see what it prints. So sorry, I took here 13, so it's printing invalid day. So yeah, we have seen that default case also, it's printing invalid. So now if you run again, you can see that is Monday. So I hope you understood this switch case as well. So like that, in between how many cases you want, after you can print that. Suppose you want another case, case 4. So I took case 4 here. So case 4 I will take as Thursday. So case 4 I took as Thursday. Now you are seeing 4 cases. Like that, how many cases according to your requirement, you can take that many cases, and you can check whether this particular variable is true or not. In this 1, 2, 3, you can also have characters like A, B, C, D, and you have to take character as well. That is your wish. So what if this break statement I have removed? So here I removed break statement. Here also I removed break statement. So you can see, if break statement I have removed means all the statements will be going to printed. If the case is, suppose the case 4 is correct and invalid is also printed. Suppose I took 1. Now you can see what is that output. See, all outputs are printed because this first statement is executed, then second statement is also executed. So there is no break to stop that first execution. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, invalid is also printed. To stop that, so if you want only one output according to your this variable, so for that only you need to have breaks. If you don't have breaks, that executes. After that, all the executions also will be done. So that's the main reason you need to place compulsory break statements in between. So if you see 1, now I will again run and show. See, now only Monday is printing. Like that, whatever you need, you just need to have break statement, otherwise it will be going to have headache for you. So I hope you understood all these cases. So these are the conditional statements.